2025年嘅第5題 partnership， 咁啊有 Anita 同埋 Betty 啦，咁佢 part A 係叫你寫 trial balance 嘅，咁我 skip 咗嗰度啦，因為太簡單，我淨係講 part B 同埋 part C， 咁睇一睇題目先。part B 咧就係叫你開一個 appropriation account， 咁啊1年嘅，咁啊 part C 咧就係叫你開 Betty 嘅 current account， 咁 appropriation account 咧即係我哋應俾嘅，咁點解咁樣講咧？因為 appropriation account 就係income statement 下邊個 part 啊嘛，咁啊佢 start with 呢個 net profit before appropriation 嘅，咁所以佢同 income statement 係同一個性質啦。income statement 咧你都係入啲應俾嘅，咁所以 appropriation 咧都係啦，我全年應該俾幾多或者收啦。然之後 current account 咧就係入未俾嘅。係啦，咁點解咁樣講咧？咁你冇理由記咗佢啊，未俾就係 current， 應俾就係 appropriation， 係啦。咁啊點解會咁樣做咧？咁因為係啦，我哋當溫書啦。如果我哋年中咧，即係中間嘅時候咧，我哋俾咗嘅話咧，4可能當係 interest on capital 啦，我哋俾咗嘅話咧，我哋就會 debit 個 interest on capital，credit bank。如果俾咗嘅話，即係我哋同普通嗰啲 expense 一樣做法嘅。咁所以如果我哋俾咗嘅話咧，我哋唔會有 current 出現㗎，我哋只會 credit 咗 bank 會改咗啦。然之後 suppose 咧上面嗰個 trial balance 咧會有 interest on capital 喺度嘅。咁但係啦，你睇下上邊係冇任何嘅 interest on capital 啊、interest on drawings 啊嗰啲嘅。即係咪所有 appropriation item 都未俾咧？咁我哋繼續睇題目就知㗎啦。咁我哋有 interest on capital 啦、interest on drawings 啦，同埋 salaries to partner 咧都會有嘅。我哋睇下第一個 additional information。Betty only received her salary。佢收咗個噃，係啦。咁啊 for the period， 咁即係佢有9個月咧。Suppose 咧係俾咗㗎。但係你話俾咗會喺 trial balance 見到嘅，係啦，因為下一句 however the bookkeeper wrongly recorded the salary paid to her as salary paid to employees 喎。係啦，咁因為 pay to partner就係 appropriation，pay to employee 就係 profit and loss 嘅 item 嚟嘅。咁所以啦，簡單啲嚟講咧，我哋做咗嘅就係我哋當係 salary 咁樣俾咗，但係應該做咧 should do correction of error 咁嘅 concept 啦，就係應該係 partner salary 嘅，咁唔應該入落 profit and loss 嗰度嘅。係啦，咁所以 bank 咧佢係真係俾咗，咁但係咧我哋應該 debit 翻，即係我哋嘅 adjustment 啦，應該 debit 翻 partners 嘅 salary， 咁係俾阿 Betty 嘅，咁我寫翻個名啦。跟住 credit 翻，我哋改翻 salary， 因為佢 done。咁但係啦 ，salary 已經入咗去 profit and loss 㗎啦。所有嘅 income statement item 除咗 appropriation 咧入晒落 profit and loss， 咁所以我哋直接改 P&L。好，咁佢9個月啦，9個月，咁所以係9乘6000，咁啊即係54000啦。咁你直接改都得㗎啦 ，P&L 你 credit 5400，咁即係呢個咧佢係 net profit， 咁所以係 credit balance， 咁所以係加54000。你 credit 一個 credit 就係加啦。好，做咗啦。好，咁 partner salary 咧係 appropriation item 嚟嘅，咁所以我哋咧做 part A 嘅時候要入呢一個數啦，54000。但係啦，咁3個月未俾。咁我哋係咪都要做啲嘢咧？冇錯，未俾嘅我哋就係 current 啫嘛，咁所以個 double entry 就係 debit appropriation partners salary Betty， 然之後 credit current Betty， 呢個就係未俾嘅 appropriation 應做嘅 double entry， 用 current 去俾啦，你當係咁啊，3個月3乘6000。好，然之後第2個 additional information 啦 ，Anita additionally invested 5萬蚊 in the partnership。佢2024年10月1號 invest 嘅5萬蚊，咁即係啦，呢20萬係啦 ，Anita 嘅 capital 嘅呢20萬咧，當中嘅5萬係10月1號先擺落去嘅。OK， 咁所以啦，我哋計 interest on capital 嘅時候咧，就要乘翻個月份啦。好，咁所以咧，即係代表我哋 interest on capital 咧係未俾㗎，未俾，咁我哋寫翻個 double entry 先。我哋未俾嘅 appropriation， 即係 debit appropriation interest on capital， 然之後 credit， 兩個人都有 credit 都有 capital 啦，咁所以兩個人都要俾 interest 嘅。咁啊 Anita 同埋 Betty。Anita 呢5萬蚊咧，嚟睇下 interest on capital 先 ，interest on 5% 係啦，呢5萬蚊一年就係5萬乘5% 啦。咁但係啦，佢淨係 incur 咗10月、11月同埋12月嘅啫，咁所以咧你乘翻3個月 interest 俾佢。然之後剩餘嗰幾多錢啊？佢 total 加埋之後係20萬，咁所以20萬減5萬，15萬，就係1年㗎啦。所以佢係1年擺咗1年嘅，咁所以呢個加埋8125就係 Anita 嘅 interest on capital。咁 Betty 咧 ，Betty 佢冇話幾時擺啦，咁所以我 assume 佢咧成嚿12萬咧都係擺咗1年嘅，咁所以你乘咗佢就係6000啦。好，第3個咁就係 the partnership agreed to pay loan interest to Betty。咁啊係啦，你啱啱都見到啦，有5% loan from Betty 嘅，咁啊喺7月1號嘅時候先借嘅啫。咁佢話咧1月1號就會俾個 interest 㗎啦 by check。咁但係咧係啦，咁啊 interest for 2024年未 record 啦，未 record 俾咗未啊？未俾啦，因為我哋7月1號2024年先至開始借。咁啊，今日係2024年嘅12月31號，我哋聽日先至會俾息嘅，咁即係未俾啦，未俾嘅 expense 即係 accrued expense 啊。咁所以咧，我哋嘅 double entry debit 咁啊應該係 interest expense。咁但係因為我哋所有嘅 P&L item 咧已經 close 咗去 P&L， 咁所以我哋 debit P&L。咁呢個其實係呢個 loan interest 嚟嘅。然之後 credit accrued expense 未俾嘅 expense。好，計翻條數，咁啊記得要乘翻個月份啦，因為我哋7月1號先至借嘅，咁即係5% 乘翻個本金4萬蚊，乘翻半年，本金乘年利率乘翻半年，7月1號至到10月31號係6個月嘅1000。好，咁所以點樣去改咧？咁啊 P&L 都係啦，我哋可以直接改啦。P&L debit 嘅，咁我哋 debit 一個 credit 啦，咁所以我哋減佢。減1000。好，咁我哋差唔多做 part B 嘅喎，咁但係咧，我哋仲有一個係啦，未 address 嘅一個 item 啦，咁就係呢個 interest on drawings。佢咩都冇講喎，咁冇講咪即係當佢未俾咯，因為你 trial balance 嗰度冇，咁即係佢未俾啦，1蚊都未俾。未收啊，應該係我哋要收翻佢嘅 interest on drawings 嘅。係啦，咁我哋咧做翻一個未收嘅 appropriation， 即係 appropriation 係 credit interest on drawings 啦。然之後 credit current 係啦，因為個 partner 未俾我哋就扣佢嘅 current 啦。咁邊個 draw 咗嘢咧？Anita draw 咗嘢係啦。咁啊，佢呢個咁就話佢 draw 咗6萬蚊嘅嘢啦，係4月1號 draw，咁所以你都要乘翻個月份啦。咁所以係6萬乘3%，咁你數翻4月1號至到12月31號就有9個月，咁所以就係1350，呢個就係 interest on drawings 啦。咁啊冇其他嘢未 address 啦，咁所以就啱噶啦。咁我哋可以開始做啦。咁我哋睇下 interest on capital 係啦，一個 appropriation 啦，跟住第二個 appropriation partner salary 啦，第3個 appropriation 就係 interest on drawings 啦。咁我哋有晒啲數字喺度㗎啦，咁你咧砌翻去咧就會砌到下邊個 appropriation 就係 interest on drawings 1350，咁啊 partner salary 咁啊72000係72000，我冇寫出嚟嘅，咁但係其實呢兩個數加埋即係54000加3乘6000咧就係72000㗎啦。然之後interest on capital 呢兩個數8125同埋6000就係啱啱我哋計到呢兩個數啦。好，然之後咁啊，我哋嘅 appropriation 咧就係 net profit appropriation 開始啦。咁我哋就寫埋啲 adjustment 喺度㗎啦。咁所以呢條式27500加54000減1000就係我哋一開頭呢一個數80500。咁你唔需要咧將54000同埋1000 statement format 咁樣寫出嚟嘅，因為本身 appropriation account 咧就係 start with net profit before appropriation 嘅。你將 adjusted 呢個80500直接寫喺第一行就可以㗎啦。然之後咁我哋會 share 個 loss 啦，因為你見到係負數嘅，咁啊用翻去比例嗰個嘅2:1去到 share。 咁一個好易漏嘅嘢就係你 share 完之後咧，記得要入翻 currents，因為 B part 佢要問你個 currents 嘅。咁所以咧，佢係一個 loss 嘅話咧，咁我哋要做翻一個 double entry，就係 share 翻去個 current。debit 個 currents，因為佢係 loss，所以你要 debit， 你要扣啲 partner 嘅 currents 嘅。咁啊 A 同埋 B 都要啦，即係 Anita 同埋 Betty 分別2850同埋1425啦。咁啊 credit appropriation 個 loss share of loss 咁樣嘅。好咁啊，因為我哋 part C 要做 Betty 嘅 current， 咁我哋都揾翻關於 Betty currents 嘅 double entry 出嚟，咁我哋間住佢就得噶啦。咁啊 Betty 呢個 Anita 唔關事啦，呢個 interest on drawings。Betty 咁啊呢個啦，第一個咁就係36000，咁我哋會 credit current Betty， 然之後 debit 記得寫 appropriation 呢個字，唔好就咁寫 partner salary。好，然之後呢度係啦 Betty 嘅 currents 都有6000蚊，都係寫喺 credit side，咁啊個 description 就係對面 account 名就係 appropriation interest on capital。好，仲有冇咧？冇啦。冇其他啦，咁當然啦 balance brought down， 咁你喺呢度好簡單就會揾到噶啦 Betty 呢個，咁啊4600，咁佢冇括住 debit， 咁我就當佢正數，正數就係 credit side。然之後仲有一個嘅，咁就係 share of loss 呢一個 Betty 1425，咁你要抄翻落去個 currents 嗰度。